Hello whizzes! Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is mitochondria, your cell's energy factories. Mitochondria are like the power plants of your cells. They are tiny structures inside your cells that have a big job. They produce energy. Imagine them as tiny battery chargers for your cells. Here's how they work. Energy production. Mitochondria take in the food you eat, like sugar and fats, and combine it with oxygen from the air you breathe. Then, they perform a special chemical process called cellular respiration. This process converts the food and oxygen into a molecule called ATP, which is like a rechargeable battery for your cells. ATP. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is a molecule that stores and carries energy. Think of it as a small, energy-packed parcel that mitochondria create. Cells use ATP to power all their activities, like moving, growing, and repairing themselves. Multiple mitochondria. Your cells have lots of mitochondria, especially in places where they need a lot of energy, like muscles and the brain. The more energy a cell needs, the more mitochondria it has. DNA. Mitochondria are unique because they have their own DNA, separate from the DNA in the cell's nucleus. This suggests they may have evolved from ancient bacteria that formed a symbiotic relationship with early cells. In summary, mitochondria are tiny energy factories inside your cells. They take in food and oxygen, turn it into ATP, and provide the energy your cells need to function. Without mitochondria, your cells wouldn't have the power they need to keep you alive and functioning. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.